Name is Mustafizur Rahman with a fantastic bowling effort, 4 overs, just 10 runs, 6 wickets and 1 maiden.
অনেক হিরোই আছে রে এরূপের দিবানা অডলামি হাই সবাই মারি ট্রাই যেমন তেমন হাতে পাখি ধারে দানা খাবে না।
And before we talk, Mr. Bazoor, you've got one more award to pick up. If I could please call upon Tanvir Ahmed to give the Player of the Series award. And of course, the Player of the Series again, Mustafizur Rahman, picking up 10 wickets in a fantastic bowling effort in this series. Entire series is in for you.
পুরা সিরিজটা তোর কেমন গেছে?
না, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ওভারঅল সবকিছু ভালো গেছে।
He was very happy. I think the way he bowled, he was very happy. It's really good. Yeah.
Well said. Well, congratulations and thank you and good luck at the World Cup.
Thank you.